Hello everyone, welcome to Geeta's classes. Today we are going to discuss about the course Discrete Mathematics MA 8351 under this Unit 3 Graphs. In continuation of the previous video, Euler and Hamiltonian paths. So here we are going to discuss about the problems under Eulerian and Hamiltonian graphs. So coming to the first problem, give an example of a graph G which is Hamiltonian but not Eulerian. Okay, so we are going to see an example of a graph which is Hamiltonian but not Eulerian. What is meant by Eulerian? Each vertex is of even degree. Then we can say it is Eulerian graph. Okay, Hamiltonian means it should have a Hamilton circuit. Okay, then we can say it is the graph is a Hamiltonian graph. Let us see. Consider this graph. So you imagine this graph V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 and V1. Okay. So if you start from V1, it travels with all the vertex. It touches all the vertex and ending in V1. Okay. So V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 and V1. It is touching all the vertices exactly once. Then we can say it forms a circuit, right? It is a closed figure. It forms a circuit. Then we can say it is a Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. So let us see the explanation for this graph. The graph contains a Hamiltonian circuit V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 and again V1. Okay, it is a circuit, closed figure. So hence G is a Hamilton graph because it is having Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. Since the degree of each vertex is not even, it is not Eulerian. Okay. So the degree of each vertex, okay. So it should be odd also. Okay. So let us check the figure again. So let us take this V6 vertex. So here you are having 3 lines incident on V6. So the degree of V6 is 3. Okay. It is an odd number. So each and every vertex degree should be even. Okay. So here we are getting the degrees. Here in V5 also it is 3, V4 3 and V2 it is 5. These are all odd degrees. Okay. So we can say it is not of even. So the degree of each vertex is not even. It is not Eulerian. So you have to draw that graph for Hamiltonian graph, but it is not Eulerian. Okay. Now let us do the next problem. Problem number 2. Give an example of a simple graph G which is Eulerian but not Hamiltonian. Okay, in the previous problem we have seen Hamiltonian but not Eulerian. But here we are going to give example for Eulerian but not Hamiltonian. Which condition satisfies Eulerian? So each vertex is of degree, even degree. Okay, that is 2, 4, 6 like that. Okay, so if it is of even degree, we can say it is Eulerian graph. Okay, so let us see. Consider this graph. Okay, we're able to see the graph. Here V1, this vertex is V1. Here V2, V1 degree is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, V2 degree is 1, 2. V3 degree is 1, 2, 3, 4 and V4 degree is 1, 2. If you take V5, the degree is 1, 2. If you take V6, the degree is 1, 2. So each and every vertex, the degree is even. Okay. So we can say this is an Eulerian graph. Okay. So let us check. Since every vertex is of even degree, the given graph is Eulerian. Okay. But it is not Hamiltonian because the vertex V1, V3 in the circuit V1, V2, V3, V5, V1, V6, V3, V4, V1. here V1 and V3 is repeated twice. Okay, so it should travels in all the vertices exactly one time. That is Hamiltonian graph. Okay, so here it is touching 2 times. Okay, here V1, again V1 is coming, V3, again V3 is coming. So V1 and V3, the vertex V1 and V3 is repeated 2 times. Therefore, G, the given graph G is Eulerian but not Hamiltonian. Okay, is it clear? So let us check the graph again. V1, V2, V3, V5, again V1, V6, again V3, V4, V1. Okay, so V1 and V3 is touching again and again. So, okay, it is repeated 2 times. So, it is not Hamiltonian graph. Okay. Yes, thank you.